So we are here at the Chantilly Regional Library where we're celebrating the closeout of the Children's Summer Reading Program with an amazing celebration with vendors that include face painters, balloon artists, caricature artists, and food trucks and county partners. So it's an amazing day, a beautiful day where the kids just come together and celebrate all the reading that they've done over the summer.
Our summer reading adventure this year was Adventure at Your Library, and children, adults, and teens were able to participate by reading 10 or 15 books depending on their age, reading for 30 minutes or 20 minutes depending on their age, or completing 5 fun activities. So we're really excited to make reading during the summer fun and engaging.
The foundation board is very excited about the continuation of this event because it truly does show the heart of the Fairfax County Public Library system, ensuring that children are participating with their reading skills throughout the summer months. And so the foundation, as a fundraising arm for the library, we want to make sure that we're supporting them with these efforts.
So even though summer reading has ended, we're still offering great programs at all of our libraries. And we really want to make sure that we're supporting our kids during the school year. So we have homework help available on the library's website. And of course, we have the most important asset of all, our librarians, who are happy to help and support the students throughout the school year. If you want to learn more about all of our wonderful library programs, like our Summer Reading Festival, go to our library website and to the events section, and everything's listed there for you.